Hey guys, what's up? So in this video I'm going to show you how to make this new flicker I just designed. It's a lime, and it's got a propeller on it, and it flies really good. Check this out. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, want to learn how to fold it? Ready, set, here goes. Okay, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of kami. You could use a sheet of printer paper cut square or pretty much any size square, but just make sure that you use a square that's colored on one side and white on the other. So let's begin with the white side up and fold in half. Try to make precise folds and crease sharply. Unfold and fold both sides to the middle. And now, take this edge and fold it to here, and hold the layers down so they don't slide. And rotate and repeat. And I'll zoom in. Okay, unfold. And now tuck this flap inside. It's okay if it kind of gets folded in there a little bit. And repeat on this side. Alright, now take this corner and we're going to refold on the crease, sticking it inside. Like that. And repeat on this side. So open the pocket and stick the flap in there. Like that. Okay, make sure everything is flat. So here we have the Shinobi cube unit thing, that whatever it is, you make a Shinobi cube with. And now we're going to turn this thing into a flicker. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap and we're going to fold it up in between the middle and this corner. And this is one blade of the propeller. And repeat on this side. It's in between the middle and here. Okay, and like this looks like a pretty clean parallelogram propeller flicker, but this does not fly good at all because it's too light. So we're gonna make it into a lime, and that'll put some weight on it and it'll make it fly a lot better. So here's how to do that. So take this corner and bring it to here. Crease sharply, unfold, and now we're gonna reverse it. So we're gonna open here and reverse fold like this. And let's reverse this crease too. Just like that. This is probably the hardest step of the whole model. A little bit tricky at first, but now once you got it in there, you can flatten it like this. Okay, and repeat on this side. So fold in here. Unfold and reverse fold. Okay. So now we have a hexagon, and now we're going to turn it into a lime. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this flap, and it got kind of bunched up there. We just kind of fix that up a little bit. There you go, that's good enough. Alright, now we're going to fold, we're going to take this corner, and we're going to fold it to that corner. Unfold and stick it inside. Like this. Alright, make sure everything is nice and flat. And repeat on this side. Alright, and now it's just all about shaping it to taste. So we're going to turn it into a lime. Unless you want a hexagon, you could in there, and this might fly good, but I'm going to make it into a lime. So just fold these corners in to taste. I'll start right here. This one you can't really fold up very far because it's so thick right here. You know, the thickness on these two sides is what makes it fly really good. Yeah, flickers fly best when they have good weight to them. Because if they're too light, they're not going to fly very far or well. Alright, and now to make these flaps stay down a lot better, you can pinch them in half, like this, kind of like what I did with the snowman flicker. But if you really want it to be flat, you know, like I said in a lot of my other videos, stick it under a pile of books and keep it overnight, and that'll really make it flat and make it fly really good. But if you're impatient like me, you can just pinch the flaps in half like that. And once you did that, there's your lime propeller flicker done. Alright, now let's see how this sucker flies. Alright, so to fly the thing, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm going to hold it right here and flick somewhere right here. So here we go. Oh yeah, that's a pretty good flicker. Here, I'm going to go out and flick it in the open room. Oh yeah. That wasn't too good. Okay, one more time. Much better. Alright, well, hope you guys enjoyed folding that and enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys later. Alright, bye-bye.